This is a 1995 Mercedes-Benz wiring harness, engine wiring harness. I took it off last night. This is the original part that came with the car. The car is a 1995 E300 diesel, one owner, Texas car with no accidents. Original part number 124444032. Date of manufacture was October 5th, 1993. I took this off because of the biodegradable wiring that's been plaguing these cars. As you can see, all you gotta do is bend the wires and all the insulation comes off in your hands. It started this process. I took a look at the thermostat on the front of the engine and I noticed these bare copper wires. I looked further, all the wires were like that, just bare copper. So I ordered a new wiring harness. Mercedes doesn't make this anymore. Ordered it from a guy on eBay who does a very good job. The hardest part is taking off the intake, and then the access to the harness is fairly straightforward. Thank you.